don't wanna do it. Hello everyone, welcome to new episode. Today I'm doing only black and white videos and photos, and I'm using my lovely Fuji X10 camera. This is my lovely Fuji X10, so really enjoying this camera. Quite basic, very old, but it can do many interesting things. So what I'm doing today is I'm doing very short pieces of video in between, and then just adding some pictures, but all in black and white. And the pictures, I'm not doing any editing, it's just straight out of the camera, so I just want to have that raw feeling. So it's, yeah, I like to shoot a bit underexposed just to make it more dramatic. This is for B-roll. I'm using actually Fuji X10, which is very basic for the video. It has image stabilization, but doesn't really like doesn't have autofocus or anything like that, so it's very basic. But I think for these type of videos it just does the job. Yeah, so let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoy that. At least I enjoy doing that. Anyway, today's episode, and if you did,